welcome back, guys. I'm here with Nadula hair. Y'all know the infamous package by now, right? Little totes. Then we'll have the drawstring bag, which is branded, along with the box inside. Have a lot of packaging. Okay, so once I open it, of course Nadula sent another beautiful robe. Love getting those. And then there's the wig on the inside, which we're gonna get into. Oh my god, I got some gorgeous press-ons. These are, oh my, you know what, let's get into the goodie bag. I'm so excited. I'm seeing this gorgeous nude set. It's like some stilettos. Oh my gosh, this is nice. God, oh my, keep these press-ons coming, because I'm added that to my press-on collection. Then I have a pair of HD wig caps and this patterned elastic band. I also got another pair of HD wig caps and a branded Nadula elastic band. This wig that I got today, guys, is Nadula's 13x4 lace front pre-everything wig. It's a pre-everything wig, basically. Glueless, everything in one. It is a honey blonde color. It's a curly texture, as you can see. And this wig that I have today is 24 inches long, or in terms of density that will be listed, so please check that out. But it is 24 inches long now. I love this. It's a transparent glueless 13x4 lace front wig, and I absolutely love that. So this is how inside looks. That's the lace portion. Everything is done for you already. It's fully customized. This is perfect for my beginners and all my females who don't have all the time in the world to be styling or installing their wig. It is so convenient, super perfect. So I said 13x4, not 5x5, not 7x5, not 5x7, no 6x4. This is a 13x4 full ear-to-ear lace front glueless wig. This is the second time I'm trying a wig like this, and I'm happy I can bring you guys another option. So what's different about this is that they add the sticky pieces on the ear portion. So you just peel away the blue part and you just stick it to like your sideburn portion, and that's what keeps the side of the wigs laid on your head and helps with security. Inside this package today, I did receive a adjustable elastic band, so you could use this. You could go ahead and attach this on the inside of your wig cap, you know, and this helps a lot with security. As I said, it's adjustable. You know, this is a major piece that comes with your glueless wigs, and it just makes wearing it so easy and secure. You can go ahead and adjust it. I love that they added the silicone strips, and that's also in the back of the cap. There is a total of, it's really what, one comb, and that's in the back, so this keeps the back of the wig cap, you know, secure to your head. All in all, construction looks pretty good. The lace front is, the hairline portion is already pre-plucked, looks very natural. As I said, the color job is beautiful. It's a nice streaked or highlighted vibe, and it's a full wig as well. So it looks beautiful. I'm excited. Let me go ahead and get into this very, very easy and quick installation. Okay, that is snugged. Wait a minute, I love that. I loved how snug that is. Also, I didn't get to show you, but this did come in the same bag with the wig. So these are what are on the ear tab here. So when these are worn, you have more that you can go ahead and apply to the side of your wig cap. It is transparent, so that's very convenient. I'll just do the same thing to the next side. So I don't know if you can see the very front here, it has a little bit of cast. So I'm just gonna cut away where it has absolutely no hair, because some of where you're seeing that cast has absolutely not one strand on it. So usually when you cut that away, it helps to make everything appear a little bit better. To further blend the front down, I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, get some powder and tap it into that portion of the lace that is still a little casty. This is a vibe. It is a vibe. You guys know I'm not lying. Like, it looks really good. Like, what? It looks good. The hair feels good. It's on the coarser side for sure, I can tell you, with the feel of the curls. Definitely on the coarser side. I mean, you know, it's been through a lot of process, obviously, to get this color. It's giving Beyonce 100%. Like, carefree kind of girl. You have that like messy, sexified kind of vibe. You could definitely rock these curls as is. I'm gonna spray some water on it though to show you guys it's in its wet state, but for the whole installation process, we are finished. This is it. It is super easy, super quick, very convenient. No experience needed in wig installation. If you've never worn a wig, don't be scared to go ahead and get this. This is so easy to install. It looks so good. It's very realistic, like very realistic. Come on, are you joking? It is gorgeous. And remember, they already went in and did pre-plucked the hairline. So I'm just pretty much gonna run my fingers through it, get it nice and, you know, a little bit more defined. There is minimal shedding. I've gotten a couple strands. Guys, I want you to I don't know if you realize how I'm literally pulling on the wig and it's not shifting. It's glueless. That is to show you how secure the wig is on my head. Let me do a shake test to show you guys. Like, amazing. So yeah, that's how it is now that I got it wet. This is how it looks. Still very nice and full. It is lovely. I love this. And also guys, before I go, I just want to remind you, it's a 13x4. So it's a 13x4, so feel free to go ahead and part it as you like. You know, you can get you can get nice deep side parts from it because it has the space. You're not limited to only lace in the mid portion of the wig. So that is lovely. That's it for today's wig look. Shout out to Nadula, they did their thing. Loving the quality. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as the specifications. Alright, if you guys want to double check that, if there are any deals, any discount codes, that will be listed in my description box, so please check that out as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go wig up with yourself.